Kansas cop shot in the head during car chase in Oklahoma. Multiple law enforcement agencies are conducting a manhunt for a suspect involved in the shooting of an Oologah, Oklahoma police officer during a police chase near the Oklahoma-Kansas border Thursday night. Talala and Oologah police were chasing a Chevrolet Tahoe on Highway 169 in Oklahoma Thursday night when one person in the SUV fired at the police car. An Oologah police officer was shot in the head and his cruiser crashed in a ditch. The officer is in stable condition. 2 out of the 3 suspects were arrested when police used stop sticks to blow out the tires. The 3rd suspect carjacked another vehicle and shot an elderly man in the neck. The man's condition is unknown. The suspect made it to Liberty, Kansas before crashing and fleeing on foot. Body armor and an assault rifle were found inside the abandoned car. The search for the 3rd suspect was ongoing in Kansas as of early Friday morning.
Leave an insightful comment on TomoNews.net and you could win up to $500 every month.